there any link between viruses and cancer? Have you ever thought of this? This is one of the topics that might not be popular, but is true. Please focus with me here. The next point is important and interesting. Cancer is known to be one of the most serious medical problems in developed countries, and it is the focus of a huge amount of research. You hear often the word tumor, but what does it mean? Tumor is a growth or lump of tissue resulting from abnormal cellular growth. There are two types of tumor. If the cells remain in place to form a mass, the tumor is said to be benign, which means nothing to worry about, it's localized. However, cancerous tumors are actively spreading throughout the body. As we know, cancers have many causes, only a few of which are directly related to viruses. Carcinogenesis is a complex multi-step process that involves the mutation of multiple genes. These genes involved in carcinogenesis are called oncogenes. Some of these oncogenes are brought to cell by viruses. Viruses are associated with some human cancers. Most human viruses that are linked to cancer have a double-stranded DNA genome. Let's take examples of viruses that causes human cancer. Two viruses that cause hepatitis are linked to one form of liver cancer called hepatocellular carcinoma. Another virus is the human papillomavirus, which is linked to the cervical cancer. There are different possible mechanisms by which viruses cause cancer in humans. One of these mechanisms is by carrying cancerous genes, which are oncogenes, into the host cell and insert them into the host genome. Now you should have an idea of how much this tiny infectious agent is capable of. To summarize in this interesting topic, remember that some viruses are linked with certain types of human cancer. And one of the mechanisms viruses might cause cancer is by transferring cancer genes to the host cell genome. The last point for you to remember is an example of these viruses. So, cervical cancer is actually caused by the human papillomavirus.